Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahima wa ala ali Ibrahima innaka Hamidum Majid. Be sincere to your elders and you will find sincerity all around. Exercise 17.3. In question number 3 we are required construct a triangle equal in area to the quadrilateral ABCD having measure AB 6 cm, measure BC 4 cm, measure AC 7.2 cm, measure BAD, measure angle BAD 105 degree and measure BD is 8 cm. Consider the statement once again. Construct a triangle equal in area to the quadrilateral ABCD. It means that we are required to draw a triangle on the basis of quadrilateral ABCD. First of all, we draw measure AB 6 cm. So draw a line segment AB of length 6 cm. Then we are given in the data measure BC is equal to 4 cm. At point B, we are required to place the compass at point B and open is equal to radius of 4 cm to draw an arc in this way. This is 4 cm of length. At point B, draw an arc of radius 4 cm. Then we are given in the data measure AC 7.2 cm. At point B, place the compass and open it equal to radius of 7.2 cm. 7.2 cm radius arc is drawn from A to draw this for intersecting the previous arc at point C. Join B and A to C. Then afterwards we are having measure angle BAD 105 degree. Remember that we may not draw the angles in practical geometry using protractor, but we are required to draw all the angles using compasses. So we are next to draw an angle of 105 degree at A. First we draw right angle and then from 90 and 120 degree we bisect this 30 degree angle to get total of 105 angle. Whenever we draw an angle using compasses, we show it through a ray. Ray AX is showing the angle BAX. It means that there should be some point D on ray AX. For that purpose, we have to consider the further given quantity in the data. And next quantity or the last quantity given in the data is measure BD. D will be there somewhere on AX ray and B is already there in the figure, which is obvious. So place the compass on B, open it equal to radius of 8 cm. Draw an arc in this way. It intersects ray AX at point D. This is 8 cm. When we get point D, then we join C to D to form quadrilateral ABCD. The statement once again to consider: construct a triangle equal in area to the quadrilateral ABCD. We have first drawn quadrilateral ABCD. On the basis of this quadrilateral, we are going to draw a triangle equal in area to this quadrilateral. Now, consider two different statements. If we consider that produce BA, it means that we are to produce on this side. And if it is considered that produce AB, it means that we are to produce on this side. Now in this question, we are going to produce BA. It means that we will produce at this side. Produce BA and place the scale by the side CA. Place the scale by the side CA and slide it in this way. Place the scale by the side CA, the diagonal of the quadrilateral, and slide it up to a certain point when scale touches the D point of the quadrilateral, and draw the line segment DP, and we join C and P to have the required triangle CBP, CPB, or BCP. This is the required triangle which is equal in area to the quadrilateral ABCD. And write down the steps in a short but comprehensive way. Consider that line segment AB is drawn of 6 cm length. So write down. First, draw measure AB equal to 6 cm. At point B, draw an arc of 4 cm and write it down in the construction steps. Draw an arc of radius measure 4 cm from B. Next step, draw another arc of radius measure 7.2 cm from A to cut the previous arc at point C. Join C to A and B. Draw an angle of 105 degree at A to obtain ray AX. Simple. Next point. Take B as center and draw an arc of radius measure 8 cm which cuts ray AX at point D. Join C to D, RC and D to form a quadrilateral ABCD. Draw DP parallel to CA to intersect produced BA at point B. In step number 7, it is written that draw DP parallel to CA, and you are shown in this way. Side DP should be parallel to CA. This point P is joined to C RC is joined to P to form the required triangle, and it is written in the step. Join C and P to obtain the required triangle, which is equal in area to the given quadrilateral ABCD. That's all. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.